It's weird, right? The humans' obsession with our poop? I mean, just look at the lengths they've gone to harvest the stuff.
Have you ever noticed how excited they get when a dog goes number 2?
What a good boy! That's my baby!
All we know for certain is that our feces must be very valuable.
Why else would they have invented this? This crazy high-tech poop harvesting machine?
Look at this thing. You on fancy odor-absorbing crystals, and then once you're gone, its special robot brain can sense it. That's when their cyborg dung butler rakes your deposit into its harvesting box. I don't even remember what my poo smells like anymore. It's like a part of me doesn't exist.
Every few weeks, a fresh tray of crystals automatically shows up to keep the whole system running. They've built an entire infrastructure to whisk our poo off to an undisclosed location in an armored tank.
But have you ever stopped to ask yourself why?
Open your eyes, people. They're using us for our poo.
Are they using it to weave their strange, floppy outer skins?
Are they fueling their moving couches with feces?
Do our deuces keep their faces hairless?
They're always staring at their hand rectangles. Could it be that humans are harvesting our turds to trade with other humans on their secret black turd market, buying and selling pallets of our poop all day long?
If our bio-waste is this valuable, it must be worth billions. Or even millions.
It makes you wonder, what are they collecting our hairballs for?
Scoop-free self-cleaning litter box. A high-tech robot machine that harvests your cat's poop so you can sell it on the black turd market and make billions or even millions.
Cats need fresh water to stay hydrated. This helps reduce urinary tract infections and ensures proper kidney function. The Flower Fountain has 3 appealing water flow settings to satisfy picky drinkers. With a fresh new look and a brand new flower accessory, your cat may prefer a large water-to-air surface or long streams of water with a bubbling top. And if that's too exciting, just add the flower bud, quick and easy. The Catit Flower Fountain takes up little floor space, and its opaque design keeps water fresh for longer. Its raised ergonomic drinking surface is at a comfortable height for adult cats and even kittens. The 3-liter water reservoir holds a dual-action water softening filter. This filter removes excess calcium and magnesium from hard tap water, while retaining stray hairs, sediment, and debris for optimal purification and pump performance. The Catit Flower Fountain has a simple build, which is easy to disassemble and clean. Combine with the Catit Multifeeder for a complete dining experience. The Catit Flower Fountain, simple, compact, and 3-in-1 drinking solution. Catit, quality design for cats.
kitty Dawn is a curious little furball. She climbs, runs, and snuggles. They're her favorite things to do. She enjoys having fun all around the apartment, but with limited space, floor-standing cat furniture is out of the question. I recently discovered the award-winning Hangin' Cat Condo by K&H Manufacturing. It's the answer to all of my cat's mischievous little desires. As its name suggests, the Hangin' Cat Condo hangs on virtually any door, thus freeing up valuable floor space. Just unpack it and hang it on your door using the enclosed brackets and adjust it to fit snug and stable. With multiple connected levels, your cat will hop in and explore up and down each floor, choosing which levels are best for surveillance and which are best for nodding off. The K&H Hangin' Cat Condo. Fun for cats, no wasted floor space, super easy installation, multiple levels for sleep and play. Now that's an idea to wrap your paws around.
The Catalpa cat tree from the refined feline redefines feline furniture. The Catalpa replaces the embarrassing carpeted cat tree with a stunning design to please you and your cat. Your favorite feline will love to climb up this 5-foot-tall tower onto each of its extra-long branches, perfect for a cat nap. Each platform is covered with soft Berber carpet that is not only comfortable, but also easy to replace. And for the cat who loves to scratch, they can sink their claws into its durable sisal scratcher. The Catalpa's solid construction and weighted base keeps the tree stable, even for the most voracious of climbers. By expanding to a third platform set, purchased separately, this tree is perfect for multiple cat homes to give everyone their own space to perch. No more hiding your cat furniture in a back room. Have your cat front and center on this elegant cat tree that comes in various colors to match your home's decor. The Catalpa cat tree's simple yet elegant design is the solution for the stylish cat enthusiast who loves their cat and their home.